Here's how to turn off browsing history on Amazon. So you have to go to the browsing history landing page. I left a quick shortcut link to that in the description or the pinned comment down below. But to get to your browsing history, you should be able to go to your account drop down, and then there should be something called browsing history right in this list here. So we click on that and you'll go to the landing page. Now you can turn off browsing history where it doesn't keep a history of all of your items just by going to this little gear icon in the upper right. And then inside of these settings, at the very bottom, you'll see a more settings option where you can actually turn off your browsing history. So turning it off means that new items won't be shown on this page and your recent searches won't appear in the search bar. So that's also how you can turn off your search history on Amazon as well. And then recommendations are not personalized either when you have this turned off. So you can turn off browsing history and then back out of settings. And you can see here that it actually says browsing history is turned off. And so no new items will be shown. You can also, in those settings, delete your browsing history as well. It doesn't delete your search history. You'll have to go up to the top to turn off or to delete individual search items from the search bar itself. As you can see, you have little X's right here you can delete. But that is how you can turn off browsing history on Amazon.